Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing, a Sephora unboxing right here. So in here, this is my first month back getting Sephora Play. I've gotten Sephora Play before, but I got it back because I wanted it, and it's only $10 a month, $10.50 because of 50 cents for shipping. But the first box, July box, it's in. This is what it looks like. It's a cute Sephora theme. I'm going to cut it open. I already know really how this works. You get like this little, there's stuff telling you all about it, and there's certain themes every month that go along with like stuff in the app. And I opened it. So this is what it looks like. It says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play. It is so, and then each box has 50 beauty insider points for you to use. So plastic. Yeah, it's a little plastic bag. Ready, set, play. That's their like motto for it. So it looks like this. So first I'm gonna look at the map. I'm gonna take my 50 beauty insider points. So it looks like that. You just use the code on here. The code is Play Island. Alright, so let's open this map up. And then all the products are on the back. Alright, so here's our, alright, so I know they're mini, but like this is mini. So this is the Caudalie Vino serum, skin protecting serum. So there's that. There is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. Looks like that. This I can get a few uses out of, more than one. Like that. Oh, this is the Bite Beauty Glaze lip liner, lip crayon, excuse me. Let's try this. My lip lining skills are not the best. It's a little dark. Probably looks like that because I don't have any makeup on. But I need a bronze look. I need a lot of bronzer. This is what it looks like. Okay, so my back is hurting. Next is what's this? Oh, is the Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume, but it is perfume. So it comes in this little box. Ugh, I hate tube tops. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a mini one. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. I'm sure that made off. Okay, next is the Dr. Dennis Gross Retinol Triple Correct Eye Serum. Ooh. I'm gonna use this right now because I just washed my face and I put a moisturizing spray on. Oh shit. Which is probably very expensive. Let's see. The last thing in here is the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. Oh, 1, 2. Okay. There we go. Okay. It has a child lock on it. So just... Where are the bubbles on there? Is this a shake? It doesn't say shaking. Okay. So that's what that looks like. So I probably won't use that. I probably won't actually use that for a while because I have a makeup remover. I use the micellar cleansing water, which actually I need to buy more of. But I always do keep the bags. I don't know where the bags went after the last set of boxes I used, but that's what I'm about. But yeah, I don't really normally keep the boxes. I normally keep the bags because the bags are always cute and they're different every month. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it for the Sephora unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, or if you liked anything that I said. Give me a big subscribe and tune out for more videos. The next video you guys will probably see is a dorm haul and a dorm shopping vlog. So yeah, I already have some stuff for my dorm haul that I'm going to put in it, but I'm not done yet, so tune in for that. And then after that will be my dorm move-in, and I'm so excited to do that because that's gonna be a vlog, and I think you guys are gonna love that because I'm already so excited for it because I've been thinking about this day for forever with my YouTube channel. So that's it. I think you guys should really check out the Sephora Play subscription box. It's honestly like the best thing ever if you don't want to pay $60 for one thing. Like the full size of that Dr. Dennis Gross serum had to be over $50. The other serum in there had to be at least $40. Like that is good quality skincare for $10 a month. I think $10 a month is definitely worth it for this, especially if you're going into college, because I definitely started this back up thinking I'm going into college, I want to get this every month. So, because like obviously I'm going to be in college, I'm not going to have a lot of money, I will have a job, but you know, that's going to be paying for other things. So it's nice to have a few things come in every month that I can use for my skin. And it's also, as you can see, I have a lipstick on, so it's not just skincare, it's skincare, hair care, and makeup. So I think it's worth it. So you guys check it out next time for another video. Bye!